Hey guys, welcome back again. I am facing this sleep mode issue in Windows 11 continuously. Many times I have faced this issue when my PC or laptop goes into sleep mode and I try hard to pressing keyboard, mouse or other thing, but PC does not wake up. So when you got this situation, you have only one option. You can directly press the power button to turn off your laptop. If you are using a desktop, then directly unplug it, but this will lose some unsaved data from your PC. If you left the some work unsaved, then it might be lost. Okay, so it's up to you whether you want to perform these tasks. Okay, so after turn off your laptop, then turn it on again, and then you will get this desktop. And from next time you don't want to face this problem. So for this you need to do some setting. So in this video we will show you how to fix sleep mode issue in Windows 11. So first and the basic thing is you need to go to control panel. Okay, go to control panel and here choose the large icon and then click on power option and then click on change plant setting. Here you can see put the computer to sleep. If you never want to put your computer into sleep mode, you can choose never. Okay, you can choose this never, so your computer will not go into sleep mode again. Or if you want to your computer go into sleep mode and you don't want to face this problem, then click on change advanced power setting. Here now click on PCI Express, then click on link state power management, and here whatever option you find here, like if you are using laptop, then you will find the on battery plug-in option. If you are using desktop, you will get only one option. So turn off both option. Okay, whatever option you find, turn off this both option. Okay, and after this you need to do one more setting. Here go to sleep and then click on allow hybrid sleep. Click on it and also turn off this option. Okay, also turn off whatever option you find here, and after this simply click on apply and okay. So this is the first powerful method. After this you will not face this issue. If it's not work, then the next option is you need to go to CMD. So go to start, here type command prompt, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Okay, so here you need to type the simple command. Type here power CFG space dash h space off. Type it and hit enter. After this reboot your PC. So this is the second step. If it not work, then the next option is go to this PC or right click on this PC, click on manage and click on device manager. Here find your keyboard. Okay, so find the keyboard, right click on it, click on property. So here you will find the option power management. If you are using external keyboard or if you are using desktop, then only you will find the power management. Click on that and then click on allow to wake up. I will show you how it's work. Okay, so do the same thing to mouse. So right click on mice and other pointing devices, right click on your mouse and click on property, and here you will find the option power management. Okay, click on power management and check on allow this device to wake the computer and then click OK. So this option you will get in the keyboard also. So if you are using desktop or external keyboard, then you will get option here power and do the same thing like allow this device to wake up the computer. So is it clear? Do this and close it. So this is the third step, and the next step is again go to CMD command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator and click yes, and here type fsc space / scan now. So do it in free time because it will take some time to complete the task, and after type this code, hit enter and let it complete it. After complete, close it and reboot your PC. So these are 4 steps. So let me know in comments which option or which method is fix your problem. So thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.